Let's discuss EVMOS. It's been a while. Are you ready? Anon? Nope, you're not, because I'm not. Nobody is. Before we get into this, I'll see what's happening on Twitter. Let's check on the price. Alright, Dumperuski. Not so good. Sitting at 92 cents. The whole market is very shaky. As you know, very bearish. Elon, can you do something, Elon? Can you say EVMOS to the moon, Elon? Just once. Come on, Elon. You can do this, Elon. Alright, ladies and gents. Let's get serious. Let's discuss what's happening with EVMOS. Alright, they've been active. Pretty active on Twitter. Matter of fact, 14 hours ago, they did a community call. 692 tuned in. 1 hour long. I'll probably play a little... Let's see if I catch something real quick.
About 400k of EVMOS tokens to fund targeted campaigns and initiatives that basically bootstrap communities and drive organic growth for dApps that have been deployed to the EVMOS chain. Right? So this is basically a campaign for ecosystem growth by the Galaxy team, and we'll have them on, of course. They're up on stage already. We'll be asking
They're providing an update to the EVM, the chain.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Jake, part of the PA team here at Galaxy.
Welcome, Jake. What is Galaxy? Let's do a short intro there first.
Yeah,
and they're also bringing in
Galaxy is a growth platform that powers on-chain and off-chain growth through NFTs.
Alright, so the Galaxy, some other
so really dependent on your growth goals.
wants to integrate with the EVMOS and etc. etc.
So that's something to keep in mind. That it's not just okay,
seems like the founder is here, Federico.
An additional campaign like this. Yes, we can do that. That'd be great. But now since EVMOS would be integrated, any app can come use Galaxy to run these types of campaigns. So it's really going to this campaign is not only going to in.
Shall we further send file to the storage contract which asked Sean?
So I suggest if you are a part of if you have invested in EVMOS, if you want to keep up with the ecosystem, follow them on Twitter and definitely check on the community call. Okay, you can actually ask questions, you can speak up, and they do answer, right? Respond basically. So I'm gonna check on this later on, but like I said, I suggest tune in. All right. Now let's see what they have. 15 hours ago, look out, fiat on ramp incoming. Today we announced the C14 team wallet integration into the EVMOS ecosystem. Users can now convert fiat from their banks directly into self-custody tokens on EVMOS and use dApps directly without extra steps. Fantastic! What do you think? Well, I haven't tested out yet. Solutions like C14s reduce friction at critical moments when users first try dApps and are key to bringing a broader audience to Web3. We are excited for the streamlined on-ramp to help bring people into the port of entry between the Ethereum and Cosmos system. So this is the C14 website, and looks like you just connect your MetaMask and click a few buttons, you verify phone number, and you can use your Visa cards. I suppose it applies to debit card as well as credit card. And then you can see you can actually buy EVMOS and Keplr on it, which is pretty interesting. All right, so they have this, and then they have bunch of like I said, Twitter Spaces, events, integrations. C14 is now live on EVMOS. Users can now purchase Keplr USDC directly with fiat via the C14 widget. Buy here. Calling bug bounty hunters. EVMOS is launching its bounty program on Immunify. Rewards up to 2 million for blockchain DLT issues and 200k for application bugs. Hey hackers, get on it. Find bugs and get paid. Don't take the funds and run away because it's not worth it. Scamming. EVMOS bounties up to 2 million. Update. Keplr Mobile version 1.1.2 has been published. Matter of fact, finally, you can use Ledger with EVMOS. It's been a while though. In the beginning, yes, since ever, they didn't have the integration, so we had to create another wallet in order to use stake EVMOS, but now Ledger finally supported, which is awesome, right? So if you find any bug, probably let them know. Skip protocol, announcing Skip, is now live on EVMOS. We are thrilled to bring healthy MEV recapture to the EVMOS community. It was a challenge with EVM support and fast block times, but it was worth it. I'm going to discuss this some other time. MEV and EVM stuff. EVMOS Covalent, past hackathon winners. See, they have quite a bunch of events going on, which is great. You can see this, right? November 18th. Loving that Fecun's, that's the Federico, he's the co-founder of EVMOS, gave his EVMOS org presentation today in Madrid in Spanish. Let's make more Web3 talks diverse and open to other language. It shouldn't be a novel concept. It's good to see them educating the masses in the bear market, while on the other side you can see the FTX collapse and whatever shenanigan happening, right? Leap Cosmos mobile apps live now, launch alert. Live now with the best ever wallet experience for EVMOS. So Leap is a wallet. I believe so. They were also on Terra Luna, and they moved over. So yeah, now they support EVMOS. And there's quite a bunch of stuff. Listening to Federico at Crypto Plaza explaining the EVMOS ecosystem. It's right there, the new frontier. Good promotion, right? Vanny EVMOS arc. Exciting and revolt truth. So yeah, ladies and gents, that's all I have for you. Keep up with their Twitter, and I want to see what they built. Okay, right now the staking APR is sitting at 135%, and like I said, the price is 92 cents. It's pretty down, obviously, because it started with significant APR, then went down to 135 right now. And yeah, the whole market sentiment and everything else. But I would love to see what they build. And I'm kind of bullish on the team in the bull market, obviously. So yeah, that's all I got for you. If you have any questions, put in the comments. I have actually a match to watch. FIFA World Cup. Morocco versus... what was the other one? Forgot. Dang. Yeah. It's at 4:30 a.m. Midnight shenanigan. I'm watching with my two cats. So I'll see you soon.